Namaskar to all traders and welcome. So this video will be on Darwinex platform in case if you're looking for alternative to the Propfirms, since they have a lot of legal issues. Sometimes they have a lot of rules, sometimes they have a lot of profit targets and everything, like a lot of rules, everything. So in case if you're not comfortable with that, then this platform may become suitable to you. Here basically what happens, you subscribe to their program, you trade on that program and you start building your track record. And depending on how you trade, you will attract a seed capital. They will provide you with the seed capital, and also you can attract the external investors to invest in your trading strategy. So there's no trading rules, there's no profit target rules or no maximum rules. All you have to do is build your track record with Darwinex. So basically it's a platform that connects the profitable trader with the investors out there. So if their risk appetite is going with your trading strategy, if their risk appetite is suitable with your trading strategy, then they will definitely invest in that. They have a lot of investors in their platform, so you might attract tens of millions of investments. However, it's not a short game, it's a long-term game. So if you see out here, these are the people who are one of the top traders in their platform. And if you see Tha, currently he have made till now he have made a return of 781%, and currently he is managing a 33,522,000. So this is what he is managing currently. Of course, to manage this much amount to reach on this level, it's not a short game, it's going to take a long time. If you see out here, see, he is trading on this platform. He is building up the track record on this platform since 2015, January 2015. It's almost 9 years now. So like the amount that he have earned is almost 803,000, almost $1 million. Now, if you see out here, these are the people who have been who are among the top, who are managing the assets 7 million, 5 million, 2 million, like that. These are the earnings that is shown out here. So now let me take you deeper on how exactly this funding program works. But before moving ahead, in case if you have not subscribed the channel yet, then kindly consider subscribing the channel and like this video, and do let me know in the comment section which Propfirm you want in our next video, or any topic that is related to Propfirm. I can work on that. So in order to join their program, you will have to pay €38 per month basis, and at the beginning you have to pay €95 as well as a one-time payment for the signing up. After that you have to pay €38 per month basis. That is the subscription fees that you will need to bear. And these are the features. You will need to trade on a virtual trading account for a while, for around 6 or 7 months, in order to build that track record. And you will get a tradable assets of 900 plus ETFs, indices, commodities, forex, stocks, and MT4 and MT5 will be available, and the leverage that you get out here is 1:200. Okay, once you subscribe their program, you will be in this zero calibration stage in the beginning, in which you have to trade, and their risk engine will start building up your index. Depending on that, they will allocate the capital. So you will at least have to trade for 6 months at least to get allocation on that strategy, because in order to move to silver stage, you have to have a track record of at least 6 months of period. So that is something out here. You have to trade for at least 6 months in order to be out here in this silver stage. So in order to be on this silver stage, you have to make a rating of at least 75. In this stage, they will allocate a capital of up to €375,000. So what will happen, how these ratings are calculated? These are calculated based on this. Okay, now say for example, you have made a return of 3% this month, and you have made a cumulative return in the prior 5 months is, say for example, 5%, and you made a loss of maximum drawdown on those last 6 months was 7%, say. Now if you just click on calculate, okay, less than 0, minus 7%, say. So if it is minus 7%, if you calculate out here, so 77.79 rating. So this is your rating right now. So in order to like this, if this is the rating, then you might get a capital of this. This is the expected allocation that you can expect. This is the allocation that you can expect with this rating. Now this is something, you know, like they give this allocation 3 months cumulative, in a cumulative way. Now again in the next month, say for example you made a profit of 4% and your cumulative 5, say for example this was this 6%, and again if you start calculating this, this is your rating and 35,000, like this much they will give you now. 30,000 was already from the previous month, and this month you are getting 35,000 of capital. So in total you have 65,000. In this way they will do for 3 times, 3 months, for 3 months they will do this. So this is how they will cumulatively give you the allocations. And then you have to start you have to do the trading on a silver stage. And once you have built enough record in silver stage, then you will be moving to gold stage. Here what happens, your strategy gets open to the external investors as well, and Darwin Index as well invest on this point of time. What happens here out here is, let me just take you through down. So like this is the capital allocation will be up to $500,000, and your index opens to the investor, maximizing your earning potential on this time. Now in order to get on this stage, you have to have at least track record of where exactly participation criteria, if you see. So the track record of at least you need 8 months of track record, and at least one of this parameter, if you make a loss of 8%, 20% should have met the minimum return. Basically it's a thing that you have to make, whatever the loss that you have met, at least your risk to reward should be at least 1:1.25, 1:2.5. That is the risk to reward that they are expecting in order to be here in this gold stage. So at this point you start getting a capital. If you want to go and check how is the gold rankings and all, you can go and check out here in this, and this are the you will find the traders who are in the golden stage out here. Let me just take you, once you are in enough, once you have built enough track record in the gold stage, you will move to this stage. This is where you start accumulating a real size of capital. Here what happens, you will start maximize your earning potential unlimited outside the investor capital in addition to seed capital. Whatever the seed capital that you have get, and above that as well, you will be attracting the investors from outside, external investors. So out here what happens is you will attract the investors from the outside, and the performance fee, if you check out here, they charge to their investors 1.5% as a management fee and 20% as their performance fee. Now like out of that 20%, they will give you 15% as for you as a performance fee. So 15%, whatever the profit that you generate, basically you understand, whatever the profit that you generate on those capital, you will get 15% profit share out of that. Now it doesn't sound very attractive when you start comparing with the Propfirms, but this is something where you get a really big amount of capital over a long run. So like even if the 15% profit share also, it's a very, like in terms of amounts, it may be very big. So investors, this is how they will invest in your strategy. And once you are on this stage, and after that, after a while, like in case if you are feeling to make your own hedge fund, you're feeling to make this strategy on a public, and they will help you in the Darwinex Pro. You can apply for this as well, in which what happens, you will have to pay a setup fee of at least, in which you will have to pay a setup fee of $10,000, setup fee of $10,000, and after that, like whatever the tax is there, and based on that, like they will, you know, like they will help you in creating a hedge fund. That's what it is out here. So since it is going to take a long time to build a track record to earn a significant money from this platform, so now what I would suggest is you do the trading normally as you are doing trading with your personal account or the Propfirm. And what you do, you connect this account with a copy trader. You know, like you copy your trades and start building your track record. and eventually it will build up the track record on the side by side basis, and eventually attracting the investors to invest in your trading strategy, and ultimately leveraging your income with the same skill and same work. Alright traders, this is it about the Darwinex platform. In case if you find it suitable, then go ahead and start building your track record. JamtsonFX closing the information on Darwinex. Thank you.